Hello everyone, in this video we will learn what is download and how it works. So what download means, it means to receive data from a server. Now to understand it in more depth, what it means is, in simple word, you are using your web browser to receive data from a web server or FTP server or email server. And this is the opposite of uploading, where in uploading you upload your data to a server, a remote server, while in downloading the opposite thing happens. You are receiving the data from a remote server. This could be a web server, an FTP server, or email server, or any other remote server. So this is what the process of downloading is. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered what is download and how it works. Thank you for watching.